Tired of complicated payment options turning potential students away? Today, we're unlocking a smoother path to enrollment by integrating Plaid into your Teachable school. First, navigate to your Teachable Dashboard and head over to the Settings section. This is where we'll make all the magic happen. Look for Payment Gateways or something similarly named within the Settings menu. Once you're in Payment Gateways, you should see different payment options available. Scroll down until you find Plaid. It might also say Connect with Plaid or something like that. Click on it. Now, Teachable will redirect you to Plaid's secure interface. This is where you'll securely link your bank account. Don't worry, Plaid uses bank-level security. You'll be prompted to select your bank from the list. If you don't see your bank, use the search bar to find it. Then, you'll enter your online banking credentials, your username, and password directly into Plaid's secure window. After successfully logging in, you'll choose the bank account you want to use for receiving payments from Teachable. Confirm your selection and grant Teachable permission to access the necessary information. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected back to Teachable. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Plaid account is now successfully linked. That's it. Plaid is now set up as a payment option for your students. Now, your students can easily and securely pay for your awesome courses directly from their bank accounts, leading to increased enrollments and a smoother learning experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Teachable tips.